The Tempest, a technological giant, is set to redefine the skies. A joint venture between the UK and Sweden, the sixth-generation aircraft is envisioned as the successor to the iconic Typhoon, promising to be as revolutionary in its time as the Spitfire was in its day. Its developers boldly claim that the Tempest will be a game-changer. At the heart of this claim is the Tempest's advanced weaponry. Equipped with laser and hypersonic capabilities, the aircraft will pack an unprecedented offensive punch. Lasers, renowned for their precision, can be used to neutralize enemy missiles, aircraft, or ground targets with incredible speed and accuracy. Hypersonic weapons, capable of traveling at speeds in excess of Mach 5, will render traditional air defense systems virtually obsolete, giving the Tempest a decisive advantage in any conflict. The Tempest's capabilities extend far beyond its weapons. The aircraft will be accompanied by a swarm of semi-autonomous drones acting as wingmen. The drone, controlled by advanced artificial intelligence, will perform a range of tasks, from electronic warfare and surveillance to direct combat. The concept of combining manned aircraft with unmanned systems is a radical departure from traditional air combat tactics, promising to defeat adversaries with complex, adaptive forces. The Tempest is more than just a weapons platform. It is a technological marvel in its own right. Advanced stealth technology, coupled with advanced sensors and data fusion systems, will give the aircraft unmatched situational awareness. Its pilots will be able to see and understand the battlefield in ways never before imagined. The aircraft's design will also prioritize the human-machine interface, ensuring that pilots can effectively control this complex system in the most challenging conditions. While the Tempest is still in development, with an expected entry into service in the 2030s, its potential impact on warfare is already being felt. The aircraft is driving innovation in a range of technologies, from propulsion and materials science to artificial intelligence and cybersecurity. As the world watches with anticipation, the Tempest promises to be more than just a new aircraft. This aircraft could herald a new era in air power.